That was it. Finally, the UK adventure has come to an end. We're gonna fuck off to our country as well, so no more taking your jobs, bastards. There you go. This is the Brexit, and this is the outcome of it. We had to clear the no skill required lab. I don't think this room was one day clear as it is now. So apart from this, no regrets. See you on the other side, and hopefully we're gonna be able to do more on another country where we're gonna shift our development lab and experiment. Maybe we can do more. Maybe we can teach you more stuff. But still, no skills required is still gonna be there for you. Maybe with more videos. Maybe who knows. But still, it's gonna be there. In the meanwhile, take care, subscribe, thumbs up, and don't forget, if you got no skills, you're not alone. I'm with you. Alright lads, so see you on the other side, and hopefully all is gonna turn out alright. See ya!